Hi everyone, I am Akash Makan Biradar. In the learning process of Java, in today's topic, we will learn about the iterations, or you may call it loops. Today's date is 23rd November 2021. While we doing program or while we developing the program, there are such conditions. Maybe we supposed to the print a value number of times, or a part of statement of program we have to repeat itself over and over. For example, if we have to print 1 to 1000, or if you have to print the table of 2, then loops of iteration make it easy for us. That tells us computer directly that the some part of program or some statement of program should have to be repeated over and over. It is called loops. Loops or iterations means a statement or a part of program should be iterated repeatedly or should be repeat over and over again. There are three types of iterations. Number 1, for loop, and number 2, while loop, and number 3, do while loop. In for loop is a control statement that the program, some part of program repeat several times, whereas in while loop is a set of statements. The part of program or state of statements repeat itself until the condition is false, until the boolean condition gives the true or false. Yes. In do while condition, is the control statement program which repeats the some part of program or some part of statement until the boolean equation gives, or at least once, if we want execute the program. In for loop, if there are fixed number of iterations, it is recommended that we have to use for loop. Or if there are no such as iterations, matlab not given how many times it will be repeated, then it is recommended to use while loop. If there is no repetition is given, or no iteration how many times will be repeated is not given, but we have to execute the program at least once, then do while loop is recommended. Now we go to the syntax. Syntax for loop is for in bracket initialization, condition, increment or decrement bracket close, and in the block statements. And the syntax of while loop is initialization, while in bracket condition, and in the block statements or code that should be executed. The syntax of do while loop is initialization, do, in the block statements or the code that should be executed, and outside the blocks while and in bracket condition. Thank you. This is the information about loops or iteration.